How to delete or uninstall the Luno application on your Android device. Hello everyone, welcome back to Finance and Crypto Guide. If you're on your Android device and you are looking to delete the Luno app, whether you want to free up storage space or no longer need the app, then this beginner-friendly guide will show you how. First of all, go unlock your Android device and find the Luno app on your home screen or in the app drawer and touch and hold the app icon. In the pop-up, you'll see a little trash icon. Just tap on that. And in the pop-up, once again, tap on uninstall. Now your Luno application will be gone in just a few seconds. So that's it. You successfully deleted and uninstalled the Luno app from your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.